Students, today we are going to continue lesson number 15, adverbs. During the light class we have already seen the definitions of adverbs along with the types of adverbs also, and I have just given you a few examples of the words to identify the types of adverbs. And now I am just going to tell you in short what adverbs of manner is. Adverbs of manner, as I've already told you, you need to ask the questions with the word how in order to get the adverbs of manner. Secondly, we have got the adverbs of place, where you need to ask yourself questions with the word where, and time. Adverbs of time, where you are try to get the adverbs of time, you need to ask yourself questions with the word when, and frequency. How often the particular action is taking place. Now degree, to what extent, to what extent, you can write to what extent, or you can write degree, to what degree, or you may ask questions with how much also, in order to get adverbs of degree. And we have last one, that adverbs of interrogative adverbs, which I have not given you any example. Few examples are there. Words like when, where, then why and how. So these are the examples of interrogative adverbs. So since we have already seen the words, so we are not going to read any examples from page number 93. Let us now move on to page number 94. Let us directly see the exercises which are there. So choose the correct adverbs to complete the paragraph. So question number A, page number 94. Question number A, page 94. We are going to see this. We'll see the first one. What is there? I was already. We have got two options here. Dear students, you remember one thing, that always number the sentences. Please number the sentences. Like the first one, I'm just going to show you. I was, then already, right? As I'm doing it, already, and yet, there, waiting for my brother, patient, patiently, full stop. So this is number one. We put a number one, and two, finally, finally, or final, comma, I saw him walking up slowly. So this is how you are going to number the sentences and write them. Now let us come to the answer, which is the correct options here. So choose the correct adverbs. Two adverbs are there. So out of this, one is the correct one. Let's see. I was already, underline, and then you can put a tick mark also. I was already there, waiting for my brother, patiently. This is the correct option. Second one, finally. This finally is the right option. Finally, I saw him walking up slowly. So this is how you are going to write the exercises. Here we have question number A. Please number these sentences, which are in the paragraph. So don't write in the paragraph. Instead, number the sentences this way. So first full stop, that becomes number one. When after the full stop, put number two, and after again, you will get a full stop, then number three. So this way, you are just going to write the sentences. Now let's move on to question number B. Fill in the blanks with adverbs of the types mentioned in the brackets. So we have here in the bracket mentioned. So what is mentioned, with what kind of adverbs you are going to fill up the blanks. Question number B. We'll see the first one. Okay, like that only we'll write. He walked. He walked. Dash. Within the bracket, okay, what is written there? Manner. So adverbs of manner. With the adverb of manner, we need to fill up the blanks. He walked off the hill. So that is the first sentence. Next one, we have a dash over there, and within the bracket is written place. So adverbs of place. He could only see darkness. Okay. So this is the what to say. This is the second one, and let's move on to the third. Okay, he shouted. He shouted. Put a dash within bracket again manner. But there was no response. But there was no response. So this is what we have. And similarly, the other blanks are also there. Please, okay, I ask you to write all this, okay, this way. These paragraphs, okay, don't write in the paragraphs. Instead, okay, number each sentences. Let's see the first one. Okay, he walked. Okay, how did he walk? Okay, he walked up the mountain. So we are not going to run, isn't it? Surely we'll write. Okay, he walked up. Okay, slowly. Okay, he walked slowly up the hill. So how did he walk? You need to write it down. Next we have dash place. He could see only darkness. Okay, we can write here or there. Okay, according to your choice. It is not that whatever I have written. Okay, you will write only that. You can make use of the adverbs of manner. Here also adverbs of place. You can write anything, provided that your sentence is meaningful. Number 3, he shouted. Can say how? Loudly, isn't it? He shouted loudly, but there was no response. Okay, even there was much noise. Okay, he made or he shouted, but there was no response from the other side. So this is how you are going to write down all these exercises. And remember, okay, don't write only the answer. Sometimes you will write some other writing only the answer. Please don't do that. As I have already showed you, please write them in the similar manner. I hope this is understood. If you have any queries with these two exercises, you can ask me. And in the next class, we will be seeing this degrees of degrees of adverbs. It is similar to that of adjective, isn't it? As we see in the adjective having 3 degrees, so also with the adverbs there are 3 degrees, which we will be seeing on the next class. Thank you so much.